Ever lost a deal because you couldn't find the right customer info or forgot a follow-up? Today, I'll show you why small teams struggle without a CRM, how a CRM can help your sales process, and exactly how to get started, step by step. Welcome to Smart Alex, a brand new channel where we help small teams become more productive with easy, step-by-step guides to digital tools that work. If you wear multiple hats at work, this is for you. This is the first video in a series designed to get you started right. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey. If your workday in sales revolves around your mailbox and spreadsheets, you may be facing these issues. Disorganized customer data scattered across emails, missed follow-ups, forgotten tasks, and lost sales opportunities, or even difficulty getting back on track after a holiday. By using a customer relationship management tool, or CRM, you can keep track of conversations online and offline, follow up on discussions if your teammate is away, and monitor the activities of your sales team if you are a manager. In this guide, we will be using Capsule CRM. I chose Capsule CRM because it is one of the easiest CRMs to get started with. Plus, it has all the integrations I need to seamlessly make the CRM work for me. Some of the links in this video are affiliate links. This means that if you click on a link and make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only recommend products and services that I personally use or truly believe will add value to you. Now let's get started. First, click on the link in the description to get to Capsule CRM's homepage. Click on the Try Free button in the middle of the page or on the top right corner. There is no need for any credit card information to complete this guide. You may pause this video to finish setting up the account. This will only take a couple of minutes. Once your account has been created, you will be taken to your main dashboard. The next thing you want to do is to start filling in your contacts. Go ahead and click on the Import button in the middle. Click the From a File button. Next, click on People and Organizations. Then click Download a Sample Template. Go ahead and download the template. Once you've downloaded the template, go ahead and open it in Excel. Then enter your contact information. For now, I'll import the sample template. You can do the same, or you can pause the video here to input your contact's information. Next, you'll want to drag the template file into the Upload File page. The template will be uploaded, and once you see the acknowledgement, click on Next. The contact information needs to be matched to Capsule CRM fields. If you used the template, you would see the same error message for mismatched fields. Select the most appropriate field in the drop-down menu. Otherwise, you can select Ignore. These information can be edited later. Once you're done matching the template fields to Capsule CRM's fields, click on Next. The Capsule CRM fields will then be matched to the headers of your template. Select the first option for Import All as New Contacts. Then, hit Next. Here, you can check if the information you've entered into the template are categorized correctly. If there is any mistakes in the capturing of Capsule CRM fields, you'll want to check the template file and redo the upload. If there are minor errors such as misspelled names or wrong contact numbers, it might be easier to edit it later in the contacts page. Once the contacts have been imported, you can click on the contacts icon at the top to view your contacts. Let's go ahead and look at one of the contacts you've added. On the left side of the page, there is the details related to this contact. Click the Edit button next to the contact name to make changes to it. Make any changes you need and save the changes by clicking the Save button. The middle section will be where all emails, call logs, and files related to the contact will be stored. On the right, you will find the task list. Adding tasks is a great way to be on top of all projects. To add a task, click on the Add Task button. Enter the details of the tasks, such as a reminder to call. Set the date of the task, and set the time of the task. Capsule CRM will send a notification email when the task is due. You can set the category of the task, and you can also assign the task to another team member for them to follow up on it. Click Save to capture the task. Once that's done, you'll be able to see the task in the task panel. Great job making it this far. You're now ready to make Capsule CRM work for you. Before we continue, I would like to explain how it works. The contacts page holds all the customers and suppliers important to your business. There will be multiple people of the same organization, each having different roles. We can reflect this using contact tags. If you work in a team, you can access the same information entered by your teammates. This keeps your team updated on each contact, and it makes scaling the team so much easier. The most important thing in making the CRM work for you is to be able to track conversations conveniently. In this guide, I'll be showing you how to integrate Capsule CRM to Microsoft Outlook on a browser. First, log in to your Outlook account. Open up an email that you would like to track. And then, click on the three dots for more actions. Select Get Add-ins. In the search bar, search Capsule. Select Capsule for Outlook. Click on the Add button. Once it's added, head back to the email you opened. Now that Capsule is added, you'll need to log into your Capsule CRM account. You will only need to do this once. Click on the three dots again, and you should see Capsule in the menu. Click on Capsule. Capsule CRM will open up at the right side of the page. Click on Grant Permission. You will be prompted to log in to your Capsule account. Follow through the steps to log in. Once you're logged in, click on Grant Access to Microsoft 365 to allow Capsule CRM to capture information from your emails. Once this is done, you will see information related to your contact. Here, you can add contacts, store conversations, and add tasks right from your Outlook interface. I recommend that you click the pin icon at the top to keep Capsule CRM accessible. This helps a lot in being consistent in using the CRM. Great work! You're now one step closer to making tracking conversations and collaborating with your team so much easier. As you already know, email conversations are not always one-to-one. To make things more confusing, there may be multiple stakeholders for projects and opportunities. This next part will help you sort through the mess and stay on top of all your opportunities. Head back to your Outlook mailbox and open up an email you would like to track. In the Capsule CRM toolbar in Outlook, you can see the Store Conversation button if the contact is already in Capsule CRM. This will allow all emails sent and received to and from the contact to be stored. If the contact or organization isn't on Capsule CRM yet, here's how you can add the contact with just a few simple clicks. First, open the email of the new contact. In the Capsule CRM toolbar, there is an option to Add as Person. Choose this option if you want to add both the contact and organization at the same time. A form will appear to add both the individual and organization at one go. The second option to Add as Organization is if you want to add just the organization of the contact. In this case, a form to just add the organization will appear. Lastly, find in Capsule if this is a contact you already know, but is sending the email from a different email address. In this case, Capsule CRM will open for you to search for a contact to update the email address of the contact. Let's now go back to storing the conversation of a saved contact. Open up an email of a saved contact. Here you can see that there are several options for saving the conversation. The default option to store conversation will enable automatic storing of email conversations with this contact. There could be multiple stakeholders related to a single project. In this case, you can choose to store on opportunity or store on case. Now that you've got Outlook integrated with Capsule CRM, you can easily jump over to the Contacts or Opportunities page. From there, you'll be able to spot any communication gaps at a glance and follow up right away so nothing slips through the cracks before it becomes a real issue. Earlier in this guide, I touched on how you can add tasks within Capsule CRM. Tasks are a total game changer for your daily routine. When you start your day by reviewing your task list, you instantly know exactly what needs to get done, who you need to reach out to, and when everything is due. Here's how to view your task list. At the top of Capsule CRM, click on the calendar icon. You can choose to view the tasks in a calendar of their due dates, or you can view the tasks as a list, which serves as your to-do list. You made it! That's the end of this guide to get you started on a CRM. Storing your conversations and organizing your task lists are fantastic ways to get comfortable with Capsule CRM. Once you're up and running, you'll want to explore even more powerful features like workflow automation and project management. When you're ready, check out Capsule CRM's Resource Center for more in-depth guides on these topics and unlock even more ways to boost your productivity. I hope this guide makes your workday a little easier. And remember, habits only stick when you use them every single day. Let me know what else you would like to learn in the comments below. See you on our next guide.